Greetings, my name is Corey Lyman, and this is my pitch for my hyper-casual game, set in a 2D top-down perspective called Starlight. Optimized for a touch interface, the player must rotate a star and shine the light around obstacles by reflecting it off the surface of other objects to light up the planet on the other side of the map. The player will rotate the sun and reflective objects to create a solid path between the sun and the darkened planet to light it up. However, some of the objects only have a limited time that they can accept the sunlight, and as the light bar goes down, if the puzzle is not completed in time, the object breaks and disappears, and the player will fail the level. In some of the levels, the player will need to light up the dead stars in a given order to complete the stage. Levels like this will rely heavily on the player rotating each star as they light up and utilizing reflective objects to angle the light just right. However, if the light hits the dead stars in the wrong order, the level is failed and the player must try again. Keeping with the spirit of hyper-casual games, the game elements will be simple. There's the mirror, the crystal, the ice ball, the dark planet, the meteor, the dead star, and the sun. This game will focus more on basic strategy than sound or graphics. As the levels progress, the light will move faster, the objects will break quicker, and more speedy decisions will need to be made. At the beginning of the game, the player can decide where to go and what quadrant of the dark galaxy to begin in. As each section is finished, a portion of the light in the center of the galaxy begins to light up. After all 5 quadrants are done, the player can move on then to another galaxy. Each quadrant will consist of 50 levels, giving the player plenty of time to work on their skills with each level. There are a few developmental risks to look at for creating these types of games. First is the touchscreen controls, which could possibly be adapted but not recommended for a mouse and keyboard combo. Second is deciding what needs to be in menu if a menu is needed. And third is the sheer number of levels that's needed to fill 5 quadrants with 50 levels each at launch of the game. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you among the stars.